our press meet today to inform about our exhibition which we are going to hold in Kolkata from 28th February to 3rd March 2025. For promotion, we are doing this press meet for promotion of the exhibition because Odisha is a major state in eastern India where plastic industry is going to develop very soon due to infrastructure, due to polypark, due to IOCL Petrochem. So that's why we are here to promote and invite the people from Odisha to come and visit InPlast25 and get the news, information about the plastic industry, where plastic industry is going, how the plastic industry future is looking at, the automation, the AIs. There are a lot of things which people of Odisha can find during the InPlast25. So we are here to promote it. The exhibition, as I told you, is in February. This is the largest B2B exhibition, any sectoral B2B exhibition in the eastern India. It has, the ground is 5 lakh square feet ground area, and we will have 400 plus exhibitors coming to this exhibition. They are machine manufacturer, raw material producers, master batch, ancillaries, finished product, whatever is in the umbrella of plastics, all will be there. Visitors are coming not only from India, the visitors are also coming from overseas countries. Overseas, even America, Germany, Japan, China, Taiwan, Thailand, Malaysia, these countries, the exhibitors are also participating. There will be a lot of machine manufacturers will be there running, showcasing the running machines. Any exhibition which is having a live demonstration of machine is attractive for the visitors. And the best machine manufacturers from in all India, there are the big brands. They are focusing in India, Eastern India market, because Eastern India is still underdeveloped. So we are expecting a big boost in the plastic sector in this region. Because you know the per capita consumption of plastic in Eastern India is much lower than the per capita of all India level. So we are expecting that in the near future, in the next 2 to 3 years, a lot of investment will come in Eastern Indian states. You know, the Odisha is having a petrochemical refinery by Indian Oil Corporation, and we are also having a polypark here. So the focus of Bengal, we have Haldia Petrochemicals, and then in Assam we have Brahmaputra Cracker, which is a subsidiary of GAIL India. So we have 3 major petrochemicals here. Abundant supply of raw material is available in Eastern India. Most of the finished products in Eastern India are being imported from western side and the other parts of India, or they are imported. So we are expecting that the exhibition in this part of India. Further,
The theme is the future is East, which itself reflects the immense growth potential and opportunities the plastic sector in East India is having. With the enthusiasm from the exhibitor was seen when we opened the booking of the exhibition, and the whole place was sold out within 45 days of launching of the event. So they are very much excited to come to Eastern India to showcase their product, and Eastern India is growing like anything, and Odisha is going to be the main constituent of the Eastern India. With the government policies in place, today in the morning I read the newspaper, there was Visit Odisha 2036, a campaign run by the state government. It itself shows that the government wants to develop
plastics,
all the segments.
MSME sector basically, and plastic, 90% of the units of plastics are under MSME.